I understand that I look like trash right now. I went to this community event earlier, and then afterward, I went straight from that to the gym. Whose gym? But I wanted to make a super quick video because my like Twitter feed and everything else, every social platform feed is like blowing up right now with thoughts and criticism of Apple's whole Creator Studio thing that just dropped, I guess, today. And one of the things I've seen repeated in there is this longing for Aperture. If any of you remember that from the mid 2000s to the early 2010s, Apple had this photo management application called Aperture. That was like a prosumer professional thing, and then on the consumer side they had iPhoto. And it's funny because just recently I actually picked up a copy of Aperture. I found it on the Shop Goodwill website, and it just intrigued me. And also the box art looks cool, and it's just a cool thing to have out. Sitting out in my little wall of, Mac trinkets and stuff out there. And I actually got this thing installed. I was curious, so I got it installed on an old machine. I actually have right next to me a 2008 MacBook Pro. This is one of the last pre-unibody machines that they made in the MacBook Pro line. And it's running 10.9, 10.9.5, and I installed this Aperture 3 on it. And I think this is the last version of Aperture. And I'm just going to say it, this application honestly looks like ass. It's not that good. It kind of looks like something Adobe put together, and granted, I don't have this like loaded down with media or anything like that where I can demonstrate it. But when you look at it and like look at the buttons and stuff and whatever in this user interface, it's not that good. It's not that good. So I can just hope that, Apple, if they decide to release a new Aperture or whatever, or replacement for it, like that they would do so much better than what this is. And I don't remember where I read it, but years ago there was a story that came out about the development of Aperture. It was kind of like a, confessions in the back of a high school yearbook kind of a thing, where it was somebody who was on the Aperture team and basically said that like the working environment of that team was just absolute hell. And a lot of people quit, and it burned a lot of people out, and it just everything that went wrong could go wrong and whatever. So this software was kind of the bastard child from hell. But regardless, it had this kind of like cult following throughout the I don't know, again, the mid 2000s and the early 2010s. Up until both it and iPhoto got replaced with just the Photos app. And everybody's been using that ever since. So I don't know. Do I think there's room for something more advanced than the Photos app? Absolutely. Do I think it's this? Looking at this thing? Hell no. Hell no. Be careful what you wish for. You don't want this on your machines. This looks like something just a tiny step above what like Adobe would put together. So anyway, that's my rant. That's my thoughts about Aperture and the Apple Studio thing and whatever. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna leave it there. This is gonna be a raw video. I'm not even gonna like edit this thing.